So today we'll see LU decomposition method, which is also called as factorization method or Doolittle's method. So they may ask solve the given equations either using LU decomposition method, factorization method or Doolittle methods. It's one and the same. Now in this method, the coefficient matrix of a system of equations, the system of equations will be given, which we have to convert it into the matrix form, that is Ax is equal to B, where A is nothing but the coefficients of x, y and z, and these are the equating values. I'll show this in the problem. Now if A is a square matrix and it can be factorized as A is equal to LU, where L is nothing but lower triangular matrix and U is nothing but upper triangular matrix, then we say that A has LU decomposition. That is, we first write lower and upper matrix as lower matrix. As you can see here, we consider a diagonal value 1 1 1 and we only consider the lower values in lower triangular matrix, and the upper part is considered as 0. So lower triangular matrix we have L21, L31, L32, and similarly upper triangular matrix only upper bits are considered, U11, U12, U13, U22, U23 and U33, and the lower part is considered as 0. So this is called as lower triangular matrix and this is called as upper triangular matrix. Now the given square matrix A is converted in the form of lower and upper triangular matrix. Now what happens, we know that Ax is equal to B from equation 1, and as we know A is equal to LU, that is it becomes LUX is equal to B. Now if Ux is equal to Y, if this part Ux is equal to Y, then L, if Ux is equal to Y, then Ly is equal to B. That is, lower matrix is equated to Y and then is equal to B, and we multiply these two, we equate this, multiplying and equating, we get the values of Y1, Y2 and Y3. So after getting these values, we will find the upper triangular matrix values, that is Ux is equal to Y, that is upper triangular matrix X, Y, Z, and then the values which we got here we'll take here, we multiply and equate to get the values of X, Y and Z. Now we'll see this in a problem example. Now here you can see the problem, solve the system of equation by LU decomposition method. So the three equations are given. Now first consider Ax is equal to B and take all the coefficient values in a triangular matrix, that is A. 3 2 3, 2 3 4, 7 1 1, that is A, and X is equal to X Y Z, B is equal to these values 4 5 and 7. Now let us consider A is equal to LU, that is the square matrix is equal to the product of lower and upper triangular matrices. That is, we'll take A here and we'll consider L, that is lower triangular and upper triangular matrix. Now multiplying these two matrix we'll get this equation, so that we'll solve and get the values. Now how to multiply these two is considering first row and first column, then again first row with second column, and then first row with third column. Similarly, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Similarly, third row, first column plus third row, second column plus third row, and then third column. This is how multiplication is done. That is, First consider this row 1 and then consider this column. 1 into u11 is u11. Then 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0, and 0 into 0 is again 0. So you will get only u11. Similarly, first row and then second column, if you see,